Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 2. In maths, today our topic is multiplication. Today we will deal page number 54, 55 and 56. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do multiplication, fill missing numbers, do multiplication in vertical form. So students, let's start our lesson. Students, do you remember your times tables? In book 1, we learned our 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10's tables. Let us see how much you remember. Do you know how much 8 2s are? Yes, 16. 7 3s are? Yes, 21. Very good. 3 4s are? 12. 5 5s are? 25. 3 3s are? 9. Very good. 9 5s are? 45. 10 3s are? 30. 6 5s are? 30. 8 3s are? 24. 6 4s are? 24. 2 2s are? 4. 4 4s are? 16. 7 5s are? 35 and 5 7s are? 35. 9 2s are? 18. 10 8s are? 80. 10 10s are? 100 and 10 5s are? 40. Okay, very good. Now I am going to do page number 55, question number 1. Fill in the missing numbers. Let's start. What number comes when we multiply 4 times 5? Yes, 20. Or we can say that 4 5s are 20. Let's do another part. How many times we have to multiply 3 that the number comes 9? Yes, 3 times. Or we can say that 3 3s are 9. Now let's do another. 5 5s are? Yes, 25. Now tell me, 8 4s are? Yes, 32. Now 8 3s are? Yes, 24. Now which number we have to multiply by 9 that the number comes 45? Yes, 5. Or we can say that 9 5s are 45. Now 10 3s are? 30. 7 4s are? 28. Now you tell me, how many times we have to multiply 5 that the number comes 30? Yes, we have to multiply 6 times 5 that then the number comes 30. Now I am going to do page number 56, multiplication vertical form. We can write our multiplication like this. 5 3s are 15 or 5 3s are 15. We can also write like this in vertical form. 5 3s are 15. Now I'm going to do question number 1 of page number 56. Complete the sums. Say the tables to help you. So let's start. One has been done for you. 5 2s are 10. We cannot write 10 in one's column. 10 means 1 10 0 ones. So here we write 0 in one's column and write 1 10 in 10's column. The next one is 8 3s are 24. In 24 there are 2 10s 4 1s. So we write 4 in one's column and write 2 10s in 10's column. Now 5 4s are 20. In 20 there are 2 10s 0 1s. So we write 0 in one's column and write 2 10 in 10's column. Now 9 2s are 18. There are 1 10 and 8 ones in 18. So here is 8 in one's column and 1 10 in 10's column. Now 4 4s are 16. There are 1 10 6 ones. So here is 6 in one's column and 1 10 in 10's column. Now 10 multiplied by 5 or 10 5s are. First we multiply 5 with ones, then 10's column. So first we multiply 5 with 0. So 5 zeros are 0. So here is 0. Now multiply 5 with 1. 5 1 is 5. So here is 5. So 10 5s are 50. It means 10 5s are 50. Now 6 5s are 30. There are 3 10s and 0 1s in 30. So here is 0 in one's column and 3 10s in 10's column. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 54, 55 and 56 on your book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.